about how to use roller bottles. Roller bottles are a really great way to be able to use the oils and just grab and go and just roll it on your wrist, the back of your ears, back of neck. I'll even swipe my kids if they're being crazy. So it's a really easy way to use it. I want to show you my favorite roller bottle blend that I've been using forever, and our whole family uses this. And it is on page 5 of your welcome guide. It is the Calm and Relaxed roller bottle, and it is going to be amazing. So you're just going to pop the lid off with, if you have a nail, hopefully you can just pop that off. You're going to grab your Serenity oil and your Balance oil, and you're going to let it just fall in. So I'm going to do 15 drops of each. So you're just going to let it fall in. And for time's sake, I'm not going to do it all. You're going to do the same with the Balance. It comes out a little bit slower. You're going to let it drop in, count to 15. And then you're going to take your fractionated coconut oil. You can get this on doTERRA's site. I recommend getting a pump. It makes it a little bit easier. You're going to then pump the fractionated coconut oil to the very top of the bottle, and boom, you're done. So you're going to add back your little lid, make sure there's no air, and you can put on your lid and it's ready to go. You're just going to shake it and use it. And if you want, you can, there's cute little stickers on Etsy, or there's so many places with cute stickers that you could write calm, or doTERRA's site has these nice little stickers that you can grab. They have blank ones, or you can write which one is in the blend. And I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks.